this is our second last day of building for this car, and there's quite a bit that needs to be done. So today I think I'm going to start off with battery cables, fuel lines, get the rear doors tied shut. I still don't have the gas tank put in, that's fine. Shifter mounted, battery located. I'm just going to use ratchet straps, guys, because I've ran out of all my battery stuff. See if I have a seat that's not power to throw in here. Clean up some of the wiring, clean up some of the dashes, fuse panel, all that fun stuff, window bar. So there's quite a bit of stuff that we can do today. But I kind of need to stay focused, because if I don't, then I'm just going to fall behind. So battery cable, fuel lines, that's the first two. Let's get going. So we've been working on this all day. I had a buddy come over. I ended up building some doubles for him. Didn't get nearly as much as we wanted. We got the front horns cut off, and we got battery cable, fuel lines. I have no zip ties. Throttle cable's done. I haven't messed with the map sensor. I got a switch panel in. Battery's just ratchet straps, so I need more more ratchet straps and stuff like that. Computer has a 97 computer in it now. We got a window bar. We got the fuel pump e-stop. I still have to take this out, the carpet out. Gas tank's done. Well, gas tank's a little farther than it was. Still needs ratchet straps and the rest of the bolts. Got some of the doors tied shut. We haven't done the trunk yet, so we'll be doing that shortly. And there's still a lot to be done on this thing, but I made a quick list. Zip ties. I'm out of zip ties. Bumper, battery, gas tank, fire extinguisher, airbags, doors, trunk, shifter, brakes, carpet, rad, GoPro, hood. There's still a lot to do. So we'll come back here tomorrow and do this again. So we'll see you guys right back here now on the next video. Tomorrow, same video. Well, guys, we're already off to a rough start. We're already falling behind, and I'm not liking it. So we got this side done. Now we just gotta, well, this plate on here, we gotta cut this down a bit more just to make it fit a little bit nicer. And then once that's on there, we add this plate to the side. It just fit in there beautifully. I just fell on my toe. Just like that, it'll fit in there beautifully. So what we're aiming for is an end result like this. We had to move a whole bunch of cars around this morning, so I'm already running late. I had to get a car ready for a buddy to take for today's Friday, and he wants to build it for tomorrow night. So I got a Toyota Matrix all set up there for him. We ended up pulling this bumper out last night, and we ended up just cutting the edges and folding the edges in. So this one here, you guys have been wanting me to run this for a while. This is my absolutely mint 1980 Crown Vic bumper. This thing still has primer on it from the factory. So we're gonna run this today, but we have to get this thing set up and ready to go on there. So there's a big list of stuff that has to be done. So we did buy zip ties last night, but let's get the front bumper done, and then I'll come back to this list, because if I don't, I'm gonna get distracted. Can you guys see the smoke coming off of that? So we've just put the welder into overload twice now. We've got this side done. We've almost got this side done. But while we did it the first time, we started doing a whole bunch of stuff. We got thousands of zip ties put in here. We got the hood cut. So let's go back and take a look at our list over here. Shifter, I can weld that, so we can't do that. Brakes, carpet. I can take the carpet out, put the fire extinguisher in. Yeah, so let's continue on this list while we're waiting for that welder to cool down. We got a lot done on this today. After the welder overheating about 4 times, we finally got the bumper on. I think this thing is near the end of its life. It's been a good old welder, but I think it's time I start searching for a new one, see what technology has out there now. So we got a lot of stuff scratched off our list, but unfortunately we had to add a couple things. A starter. I don't have a wire to get the starter to start. Battery needs to be better tied down, because that's garbage. Doors need to be tied shut. Brakes, I don't know if this thing has it. Carpet has to come out. Paint the car. Seat, I'm going to see if I have any non-power seats around. GoPro and rad. But we got a lot of things done on this. We got the gas tank fully strapped down. Oh, I guess I should put the gas tank back on the list, because it still needs straps and gas. We got the trunk done. It's nothing fancy, guys. We just use seat belts to get her shut. Yeah, so that's pretty much what we've done today. But we have to do something else before my day is over, and that is get another car in the shop. So this one here is being run Sunday, and the car that's being ran Saturday is that bone stock windshield Lumina. So let's get it up here so we can do some work to it. So we got this old girl pulled up, and there's a whole bunch of stuff that we still have to do to this. Mainly, there's absolutely no brakes. There's no gas tank cover. There's no fire extinguisher. There's a completely dead battery in it that's not tied down. And fuel shut-off switch. I got this one, but I like having another one inside the truck. So we will put another one inside the car there. And that's our job for tomorrow, is to pull the tires off this and try to get brakes into this thing. Because, goddamn, I need a little bit of brakes. Just a wee bit. So come on back for us tomorrow, which might even be the same video, not sure. We'll get this one done, and we're gonna get that one done, and then we have to fix this one as well. So we have a lot more cars to fix here, boys and girls. So we just got Josh here. We put some 23s. We just mounted them on these rims. Had to take all his brakes off. We got my car loaded up here, all ready to go. We got Roy here. We got the Camry done for tomorrow, guys. I don't know where this long video ended off, but we're gonna make it to Brampton. We're gonna be doing the windshield class for me. Roy is doing junk run and windshield class. Here's a van that he got from me. Josh got this truck from Steven. Let's go wreck some cars, guys. We'll see you back here tomorrow on Zach's workshop.